Hey guys, ugly tourist here. It's rainy season in Angeles City. I gotta get a video out. It doesn't matter if it's raining or not. So tomorrow, you're gonna get a video about me and Ding deciding whether to move from Angeles City or not. Deciding what city's better for us. Gotta get this video out for you guys. It's raining. Yeah, I heard in the comments that I'm not a man unless I move my kid and my newlywed wife out of Angeles City. So tonight, you're gonna help me make the decision whether we get out of this place. We get the hell out of here. Should I stay or should I go? I don't know. It's a big decision. We'll figure it out together. It's raining. I'm in my raincoat. Ding got it for me. She said I couldn't go anywhere without it. So here I am. I'm the only dumbass in Angeles City or in the Philippines wearing a big ass raincoat. But I tricked her. I ain't wearing nothing underneath it.
Well, I seen in the comment section, a lot of people think we should just move. We should just get away from Walking Street. It's not a good environment to raise our child. People think Angeles City is just Walking Street because that's all they've seen on YouTube. Or when they visited, that's where they made the beeline to. They went straight to Walking Street. Well, that's what most tourists see. And that's where all the cameras go. And that's where all the tourists go, is Walking Street. Angeles City is much more than just Walking Street or Red Street. That's not where I spend my day, guys. I go to places like Awesome. You see that place? That's where I eat my breakfast. A lot of veterans, well, they go to the VFW. We've met friends here. We know the owners of this little shawarma shop. There's a corner guy making liempo and whole chickens on a spit. And then there's another one competing with him. He's got more. People said I should move. If she catches that, she's going to cook it. Yeah, people said I should just move away from Angeles City. Pick up all your stuff and go, ugly. You gotta get out of there. It's Sin City. It's the Las Vegas of the Philippines. But now I see it a little different. There was the steak experience. That's where we get our steaks. Or where we think of getting our steaks, because I don't know no barbecue. There's our 7-Eleven. Anyway, we're going to build a house in a couple years. We don't know where. We got no clue. But if we pick up and move now, that most likely means we're going to have to move twice. And for a 25-year-old, there's another massage. For a 25-year-old, that sounds fun, like an adventure. But for a 60-year-old, samurai and ding, well, that's not so fun. Packing, paying all the deposits again, renting again for another year, playing starting over again, just because I got some bad comments. Here's the Rossa Hotel in the 544. Sometimes I go in there and eat. Real close to my house. Real good food. There's the old Mag's restaurant. It's for rent. They come and go around here. Red doors. And they got a new Lawson's opening up tomorrow. I'm going to get me an egg sandwich there. Just like Anthony Bourdain. I don't know why I brought Ding with me. I remember coming here the first time. Everything was exciting. I wanted to explore Walking Street. I wanted to know every club, every bar. Every restaurant. Well, I haven't done that yet. And there's some good restaurants around here. I walk every side street. Try to discover something new every day. Hey, I told you guys about some live music. And it looks like the Speedway, or Speed Zone, it's gone. So I guess there's no live music down this street anymore. But there's still the Thigh High Bar you can go to. Just it's an outdoorsy bar. Hang out with some expats. Guys, I hate to say it, but Angela City's become kind of home to me. I don't know, some people would call it a rut. Maybe it's a routine, I don't know. I go to morning coffee. I have a couple favorite breakfast spots. The ZRV and Awesome Breakfast. I passed by this place right here, Bretto's, with some sort of reverence. That's where I met Ding. That's where she was working. I walk every day, or every day it's not raining. I have my favorite routes, my favorite shortcuts. People actually recognize me now. That's crazy. A lot of hellos. A lot of good mornings. And you know, Sometimes I think about you guys and I said, hey, could any other city be better for me in this year waiting period I have? Yeah, I'm in limbo. I'm in transition, if you will. I'm going to wait another year, maybe another year and a half to build a house. And I went to Dumaguete. I liked it. Siargao, I liked it. Iloilo, liked it. Bohol, well, that's a little too close to her family. I mean, they're all good. But what do they got that Angela City ain't got, to be honest? I mean, for a year, do I really want to start all over again? I mean, I do know people here, guys. There's Chorizo, my favorite pizza. Other than Pizzeria Amore, I've got 3 pizza places I go to, but I don't know if they're closed or not. I gotta check it tomorrow and see if they're closed. Here's the first bar that I used to hang out at regularly. I learned how to play pool there. I'm not very good. Here's my favorite bar, Garfields. No high pressure sales there, just cold beer. And they're pretty girls there. I'm allowed to look. I'm allowed to look at the menu, not order. I like the perimeter bars pretty good. I haven't been in the Gray Fox but once. Bad Decisions bar. A lot of bad decisions made in there. And what was formerly known as the Black Satin bar.
Hello, sir. This is Filipino street food.
Good evening.
Yes. Chicken barbecue and a pork belly.
Don't do that. Don't make me.
No, he was looking for guys.
Don't do that. They'll end up coming after me.
Now let's get right down to it, guys. Is Angela City perfect? Hell no, it ain't perfect. It's got trash. It's got dogs. It's got traffic. It's got mufflers. In the last two, the mufflers and the traffic, most cities have. Yeah, I'm having a hard time deciding. She put it all up to me. She said, you're in charge. Move us wherever you want to move us. But it's hard to leave when I've got unfinished business. I got new vlogs to do. I want to do some over again. Yeah, I've got new vlogs to do. I want to do them better. I haven't been to Mad Butter yet. I can't leave. Gotta go to Mad Butter. There's a massage parlor. Eurasia. Amanda's Coffee. I haven't been there yet. Yeah. There's CPI where regular guy did his live streams. Yeah. I'm going to tell you. I think we're going to have to stay. Yeah. We're going to have to stay for another year. There's things I haven't done. Is Angeles City perfect? Well, no. Will we build our forever house here? I don't think so. Are we leaving? Not for another year. We're going to stay in Angeles City. We're going to hang out. We're going to go to all the restaurants we can go to. We're going to enjoy. We're going to enjoy every day we have together, like we already do. That decision can be made later. Where we go, where we live. But for now, I'm not going to say we're stuck here, but we're here. Why? Because I don't believe this is quite over yet. Me and Angeles City have a score to settle. This chapter ain't quite over yet.
Hi.
Hi, vlog!
That's our favorite fruit store. And you can tell we go there. Till the next time, guys.
Well, they know us.
Yeah, we always buy there. We got some.
Look at that hole in the road. I don't like that.
Let's go down this street a little.
Because my skin says I'm here. Kasi I use Silka Green Papaya Soap. Boosted with green papaya enzymes. With regular use,
Guys. Small. No.
On the other side, right? Motorbike.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Stay ugly, my friends.
Yeah.